Hello, welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Daniela. I'm a fitness nutritional life coach specialized in obesity and diabetes management. So today is a recipe that I'm loving so much. I've seen it on someone on Instagram. I think it's Skinny Carnivore guy that's been playing with this baked custard, and I thought I want to give it a try since it's even the original recipe is pretty animal based. Depending on the sweetener you're gonna use, you can make it as carnivore as you want essentially. And it's so easy to make, and the result is so decadent and it's just very how you say, kind of fancy, kind of elegant. So you can I thought if you're having a dinner party right now with this festive period, you want to impress someone, or in any period of the year you want to make something that looks really nice, super easy, and you can zhuzh it up with a few extras that I'm going to show you. You can produce something that's amazing. We've been eating it for days now, and we just love it, and it's so easy to I'm gonna tell you later how to reheat it a little bit so you can take it out of the fridge when you're ready to serve, and just yeah, great. But let me show you how to make this baked custard. So it's super easy to make. Few ingredients. You just need milk, cream, the flavorings you're gonna choose, which I'm gonna show you now which ones I chosen, and some sort of sweetener, which if you want to be super carnivore, you can use just glycine and maybe a bit of raw honey if you allow that. You could totally leave the sweetener out and just add the other vanilla and stuff like that, and sweetener free essentially. Or you can add allulose and erythritol. And erythritol is totally up to you essentially. Super customizable, I don't know if that's a word. And so basically I decided to sweeten it up with a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of erythritol, and this is for 6 portions, so 1 tablespoon of honey for 6 portions. So all I did is I took some of the milk and I heat it up to melt the honey and the erythritol properly, so it didn't stay all at the bottom or anything like that. And it's super easy because it's 250 milk, 250 ml cream, super easy to remember. So I combine the cream and the milk, and you then add 3 eggs and 1 egg yolk. Whisk everything up. There's no need to whisk for ages, it's just so everything is well combined. And then I divided the butter in the liquid in 2. To 1 I added some orange zest and a little bit of rum, 1 little cup of rum just for flavor. And to 1 I added nutmeg and cinnamon. Again, this is super optional. This recipe is great because you can make it your own. It could be chocolate mint, pumpkin spice, vanilla, bourbon, I don't know, literally anything you want. And then you put it into some ramekins. I divided into 6. It could be 1 big one. It is up to you how you want to serve it. I really like this little small ramekins because it's just the right dosage for a little treat. And then you're going to bake it bain-marie. So bain-marie means you're going to submerge the ramekins halfway with water, room temperature water. Don't do hot water because it would cook the egg. And then bake it at 150 degrees Celsius, which, if I'm not wrong, is 325. I still haven't learned this whole Fahrenheit, but I'll leave you the link in the temperature in the link in the description below, and you bake it. It's hard to tell how long it's going to take. It depends on your ramekins, depends how much you fill them up. But mine baked for about 35 minutes until they're jiggly, but you can tell they're set. And then you serve them with a bit of whipped cream, and then it's nice if you put a real reminder what is inside. So I put a little bit of orange zest, a little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg. You could do some chocolate shapes, some cacao powder, coffee powder, anything you want basically. You can make a coffee flavored, that would be nice too. and then you can you don't need to decorate them all. Just I place mine in the fridge, and when I'm ready to take one out, I put in the microwave to defrost the setting. So just take it to room temperature. Don't put it into microwave, because you'll cook the custard again, which I don't think will be nice. You just want it to a little bit warm, room temperature. That's perfect. And then put some double cream or some syrup that you like anything you want basically. And it's I love it. It's just, I know I'm eating mostly just eggs and dairy, which is fine with me. And then the good thing that you can choose, I didn't say, I'm using goat milk, which is the one that I digest really well. It could be any milk of your choice. I'm not a fan of almond milk, vegan milks at all. I prefer normal milk. I don't care about the extra carbs. You can use some good organic milk, grass-fed milk, some goat's milk, sheep's milk, anything you want. And yeah, I love it. Absolutely love it. I'm definitely gonna make it again. And it's just so great that I can just grab this little treat, put it in the microwave, put some cream on top. It's a little fatty, indulgent dessert. And yeah, I really hope you guys give it a go. Let me know in the comments below if you did enjoy this video. What would you add? Is it coffee? Is it chocolate? How would you make this little baked custard? If it's something you would make for your friends and family to impress someone, maybe a romantic date. Yeah, just let me know in the comments below. I love to hear your feedback. Of course, share this video with your friends and family if you think that they would like to try this baked custard. But thank you so much for watching. Consider to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.